My Way or the Thai Way, Phonics in English with Crew Tim. Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to do Jolly Phonics Workbook number 2, page number 14. We're going to match the letters. Alright, page number 14. We've got a lot to do today. So let's go ahead and let's see what we need to do. Join each picture to the letter for the sound it begins with. So we need to look at the picture, say what it is, and then find the letter for it by the sound. Let's start. What is this? House. House. So we want H, 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 H. That one was easy. It was done for us. What is this? Panda. Panda. So we want P, P. Where is it? There it is. P, P, panda. What is this? Snake. Snake. So we want S, S. There it is down there. Snake. What is this? Ink. Ink. Remember the Inky song? So ink. There it is at the bottom. What is this? Moon. Moon. So we want moon. There it is right next to moon. Okay, this one we have two of them. We have the big one and the little one. So we have two sounds here. A big cat is a cat, right? Cat. So we need C-ca. Where is it? There it is over there. C-ca, cat. And now a little cat is called what? A kitten. Kitten. So it has a K sound, but we want K this time. K-ca, kitten. C-ca, cat. K-ca, kitten. What is this? Rabbit. Rabbit. So we want R, rabbit. What is this? Dog. Dog. So we're looking for D, duh. And there it is up top. D, duh, dog. What is this? Nest. Nest. So we're looking for N, way up top up there. In nest. What are these? Ants. Ants. So we want A, ants. There it is up top. Ants. What are these? Eggs. Eggs. So we have the sound. E. So we want E, eggs. And our last one. What is this? Tiger. Tiger. So we want T-ta right in the middle. T-ta, tiger. Great job, everyone. Go ahead, color your page. Let's take a look at my colored page. Here it is, all written and colored. You've done a wonderful job today. The end. Great job, everyone. I will see you on the next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.